Hello my friends, my name is Roman and this is a fifth tutorial about JavaScript. And today we will talk about numbers. How many types of numbers have we in JavaScript? We have only one, because in other programming languages we have few types, but in JavaScript all numbers are stored as double precision floating point numbers. I will write it here. It's all of them with lowercase. Double precision floating point numbers. Okay, and they stored as they have 64 bits, and they are floating point with floating point. Okay. For now, let's talk about the range of numbers. The maximum number is, I have here a text file, and I want to show you the maximum number for JavaScript to save precision, because higher of them it's gives more unexpected errors in unexpected calculations. Just look at this variable x, and let's store here our number, and let's store also y, and store it's like negative number here, and okay, let's console log comparison of this number. I will show you. I'm going to show you. It will be better. Let's compare this number. This is this maximum number to the same number, but with higher to 1 than it's, and compare also negative one. Let's change it to y, and here -1. Okay. And what we'll see in console, you see, we have false, because okay, we have false because everything is in range. But if we will change it to higher value, what we will expect? Will it be the same to it? No. We see that it's true. So, for example, let's make less this value we have also false, but in this range we have true. What let's I want to tell you also about how parser see the numbers. It sees it's like literals with mine. Let's go to the parser and 10 literal value. It's 10. It's parse, it's like literal, but with minus it don't see it's like negative one. It sees as like has honorary operator minus here. Also let's see what numbers are in JavaScript. Examples. First, it's, for example, 0, for example, 99, for example, it's just decimal, it's just simple, you see. And if we want to, let's say stay it here. Also we have decimals. Like this, with floating point. Okay, it's the decimals numbers, but we have also hexadecimals. To write it here, we should to write 0, then x, and for example something to f is the last number. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and A, B, C, D, F, F. So let's see what we have here. You see, it's converts to decimal. Also we have we can write it like with x big, and we'll have the same with uppercase, and we can write it also in JavaScript, also octal type. It looks like if we will start from 0 and then we will type all numbers less than 8, we will get decimal number. You see, here we put 425, here we get 277. So it's octal number. But if we'll get here, put it here higher than 8, it will calculate as will not get this 0, and will turn it's in another, give us just 9. Let's see. But in more earlier specification in ECMAScript 1, it was ECMAScript short. It was it will give us error, but not in ECMAScript 5. Also, I want to it was just decimals. Also we have in JavaScript with floating point numbers. So the just examples, for example 51 whatever, it will give us this one. Also we can write it as without, if it less than 1 we can write it without 0, and it will gives us also correct number, like 0.75. Let's check right here. And we can write also exponential numbers. They are how to write them. We see here write, for example 25, 24, then exponential, and then we multiply it to 5. So let's check. Let's see. And also we can write it as with uppercase E. It will give us the same result. So it's the same as in hexadecimals numbers. What we will I want to also to show you that it -5, it can be also 5, it can be also negative, and it will give us this result, negative power of this number. Let's comment this, and what I want to show you, for example, numbers, when we have some when we want to put some methods for a number, it makes us it not change the number, it changes only the it makes only object, it makes only object wrapper on the number, and it changes it, and then it's deleted. Let's look how it works. For example, let's create number, let's talk it, let's this one, and we want to, for example, log and make some add some methods to it. For example, to let's look for what we'll get. It gives us 3 numbers after comma, after our decimal sign. So how it works, it creates object number with this number under this, and then apply to it method to this object, and then after its console log, it deletes it. So it's just on the fly creates. Also, what methods we have also in JavaScript. We have, for example, to exponential. It's I just show you examples of it. To exponential. For. So you see, it gives to our number just exponential method. Also to precision, but we can add here some numbers, and let's look how it works. It removes it stay for numbers here, for signs here, but if we will add here, for example, 7, it will give us with these decimals. So, but it's everything is object wrappers. It's not modify the our number. We can check it with just console log our number. See, it wasn't modified. Okay, so we talked about object wrappers, and for now that's all. It was the main information. It's mostly common information about numbers, and in the next tutorial we will talk about operators for numbers, with some operation with numbers. Okay, thanks for watching. If you want to see and watch another next tutorials, just click subscribe. If you like this video, please click like. If you didn't like, dislike. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lessons. Bye.